black sound like, because I have a PlayStation 3, and I had it by like about 7 years, give or take. And I got a few friends who asked me, "Are you white?" No. I guess you sound white. First of all, that kind of sounds like a racist. That kind of sounds racist. And two, what does being white or being black or Mexican, French, etc. sound like? Do I have to sound like I'm from the ghetto in order to sound black? Or if I'm French, which I'm not, do I have to sound like Louvier, you know, the candle from Beauty and the Beast, to be French? Or do I have to sound Spanish to be Mexican? Or do I have to sound Bulgarian to be Bulgarian? I don't know. That's this. That is a genuine question. What does, like, for example, black supposed to sound like, or white supposed to sound like, or etc.? Because I don't get it. Because that is does sound really racist. And there is one guy I played with it who asked me also, "Are you white?" No, why? "Oh, you sound white." And I'm white, and I sound blacker than you. Like, that's just downright plain sound racist. So, unless you don't get it, honestly don't get it. They might not trying to be racist, but to be honest, by asking that, it kind of asking that question, like, "Are you black or are you Mexican or blah blah blah?" Kind of sounds racist if you only if you like online games or I believe it might sound less racist if you ask that person face to face, just out of curiosity. But even though it might still sound racist, but online, if you're just basing it off your voice, yeah, that kind of sounds racist, in my opinion. So, back to my original question. What does black, white, Mexican, Spanish, even though debatably they're the same thing, I don't know, you gotta tell me. Haitian, French, Bulgarian, British, supposed to sound like? Because I seriously don't get it. That's a general question. If you can tell me what the difference is, please leave a comment section below, because I honestly don't see. Wait. I actually don't see. Anyways, yeah. If you know what the difference between, like, what what you're supposed to act if you're black, or supposed to act if you're white, Mexican, whatever, and especially how you speak, please leave a comment below, because seriously, I don't think that it doesn't matter where you come from or how you are raised, or how you speak. If, like, for speaking terms, like, the way you speak doesn't necessarily make you a certain way. Like with me, was basing it from my view of my PlayStation online friends. Was to ask me, "Are you white?" Me sounding white does not make me white, clearly. So, like I said, leave a comment below if you can tell me, like, what white's supposed to sound like, or what Mexican's supposed to sound like, or what Haitians, Bulgarians, etc. Supposed to sound like. So yeah, please leave a comment below, and yeah, thank you.